everybody, this is Jen from Scrap and Posh, and I am here today with an Artistic Studio Creation Design Team project. I know you guys have seen me do this before if you follow me. So these are the scraps from my Lost in Paradise collection from Graphic 45. Not a whole lot left of my entire collection. I had everything, I think, except for the chipboard pieces. I do have quite a bit of the 8x8, so I can pull this in if I need it. I also have some journaling cards, but these will be too big to use as is. But I can always trim them and fussy cut them if I need to. And paper left over from one of the albums. And I'm going to make some ATC cards, 9 ATC cards to go into my pocket album. I thought it would be a cool idea to start keeping or doing 9 ATCs, hopefully 9 ATCs, or just one even, of the collections that I have, that I do my albums out of, because I typically give all my albums away. So quick overview, we're going to do 9 2.5 by 3.5 cards, and we're going to try and stick with just this, and then when I get done I'll probably toss out everything that's left over, but we'll see what's left over, because I still have this too. So alright, and here we go.